subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the updates instantaneously.
Hello everyone and welcome to MHC Tech Talks. In today's video, we are going to review the Bluetooth wireless headset from Enacfire E18. So guys, I have the box with me right now, and this is the box itself. And if I talk about the box contents, we just have this wireless buds over here with the case and the charging cable, that's all, and some basic documentation. So this is all we have in the box now. So let's keep the box aside and let's talk actually about these earbuds. So as you all know about the AirPods, this is similar to the AirPods. As you can see, this case itself is a charger for this one, and these are the earbuds. As you can see, these are very light in weight, and whenever you get inside, whenever you are not using it, you put into this and this start charging. So this is what it is. So let's talk about few of the good things of this one. So the design is pretty new. As you can see, these are very small and compact and can be easily fitted into your ears. So this is something very good. And apart from that, they claim that the charge hour for this one is once it is fully charged, it can play roughly around 7 to 8 hours. And the good thing is, whenever you are not using it, you just put it into this case and it starts charging. So this is something great, as you can see. So let's put it back inside. So this is the Enac E18 wireless Bluetooth headset, and it's quite good. You can find it in Amazon for 8,000 rupees. So it is something really good if you are looking for some mid-range earphones, wireless earbuds. We all know AirPods are too costly, so if you are having a medium budget, then definitely you can try on this. As far as the music quality is concerned, I would not rate them too much, but yeah, they are still good for what they say. So in all, it was just a quick overview and review of these headsets, and let me know in the comment box if you want to have the in-depth review of this headset. Hope you guys like this small video about the Enacfire E18 Bluetooth headset. And the good thing about this is these have got Bluetooth 5 support, and the range is quite good. I tried it. I was able to have the connection around 50 feet, so that is something very good. And the battery backup is also very good for this one. So these are something good. So this is all about it. Hope you guys like this small video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.